The harmony between nature and architecture reflects the Baha'i belief in the balance between the physical and spiritual world. The Baha'i faith emphasizes service to humanity, and the Kampala temple plays a key role in promoting this principle. Beyond the temple walls, the Baha'i community is involved in various educational and social projects aimed at empowering individuals and promoting unity in Uganda. These efforts include literacy programs, children's education, youth empowerment activities, and community building initiatives. Through service, the Baha'i community seeks to put their teachings into action and contribute to the well-being of society. Whether you are a spiritual seeker, a history enthusiast, or a traveler looking for a peaceful retreat, the Baha'i Temple offers something for everyone. This site welcomes thousands of visitors each year, drawn by the temple's beauty, serenity, and message of unity. With a guided tour, you can get deeper insight into the Baha'i faith and the temple's significance. The Baha'i Temple in Kampala stands as a beacon of peace, unity, and hope. It reminds us that despite our differences, we are all connected into one people, sharing one planet. So whether you come for prayer, reflection, or exploration, the temple offers a profound experience that stays with you long after you leave. Thank you so much for watching this video. That was just a brief about the Baha'i Temple that's located in Chisasi. Please, when you find time or when you're in Kampala, give me a call. My number is in the description. I can take you around Kampala city and also around Uganda and also around East Africa and also anywhere around the world. So thank you so much. Subscribe, like, comment. Tell me where I should go in the comment section so that we plan it. Thank you so much.